Alright guys, to all the kings and all the queens seeking the kingdom and desiring to reign in life, here we are again with another video. Today we're going to do a candy mukbang. We've got all this wonderful Christmas candy and we're going to try it and we're going to let you try it and hopefully you'll enjoy what we're enjoying. Alright guys, let's get started. We've got Pixy Stix candy canes. You want to try one of these? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh goodness, you okay? Mm-hmm. Alright. So we've got Hayden over here and Hayden's going to be my taste tester. Want to taste it? These are Pixy Stix filled candy canes.
But Dad always breaks these.
They do? They break?
Look at Dad always breaks them. But I know, but these easy for me.
They're easy for you? Okay.
No, they're not breaking.
They're not breaking?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well tell us what they taste like. Here you go guys. Take a taste. You always eat yours, you bite it. I'm surprised you're not biting it.
This is like
Huh? It tastes like, go ahead.
It tastes like flavors.
It tastes like flavors? What flavor you? Who?
It tastes like red.
It tastes like red. Okay, is red good? It's actually cherry flavored. So let's get to the powder inside.
Can I break mine?
Yeah, you can break yours.
This one?
Oh, okay. I taste that. You can actually kind of suck it out like a straw. Ah. Mmm. What's your favorite flavor?
Just one. Click one.
You want to try the Oreo next? Okay, that's good. I love cherry anyway. Let's see, we'll do the Oreo one next. Let's break our tower down a little bit. Let me get my milk.
I'll get my milk.
And get your milk. Now I'm gonna give you one. And guys, this is the Oreo flavored candy canes. And I think I forgot to introduce us, but I'm D Lovely and this is Hayden. I'll open it for you. So we have the Oreo flavor. You tell me if it tastes like Oreo cookies. You remember what Oreo cookies taste like? Huh?
Tart.
I don't hear you, baby.
Tastes like Tart.
They taste like Tart. What's that?
Thomas.
Thomas? Thomas the Train? Okay, so that tastes like Thomas the Train. They smell like Oreos.
Yeah.
Smell it.
Yeah, it smell like Oreo. Smell like Oreos.
I'm gonna be very honest.
I break it.
To me, I guess it could be Oreo, but my first thought was Tootsie Roll. It tasted just like a Tootsie Roll candy to me. That was my first thought.
This don't taste like it.
But it's definitely very chocolatey. It tastes like chocolate. I think it tastes like a Tootsie Roll.
Yeah, it's just one. Mine, it's a soft one.
You got the old school candy peppermint stick.
It's peppermint.
Yeah, my mama used to make tea out of it when we got sick. That, lemon, a little hot toddy, I guess you call it. Let's see. And I hate to tell my age, but we did not have all these flavors when we were growing up. So this is the sweet tart candy cane. And it says it's 3 tangy, fruity flavors. Blue punch, green apple, cherry. And I guess, I don't know which one is which. I guess we'll have to figure it out. Okay. So we've got the bluish, or the green one. We got the green one. We got the blue one. And we got the red one. So I'm assuming this is blue punch. This is cherry.
I want cherry.
You want cherry? Okay. And this is green apple. I can. And there we go. You mean what? I'm still eating on this Tootsie Roll. Yeah. Oreo candy cane.
Which Tootsie Roll? Where?
Well, it's actually, ooh, excuse you.
This Tootsie Roll?
No, it's the black and white one. It's actually the Oreo candy cane, but I promise you guys, it tastes like Tootsie Roll to me. I don't know.
Is this Tootsie Roll?
And I do eat Oreo cookies. I love Oreo cookies. You want that one? You want the whole thing? So you tell me what that tastes like, Hayden.
It tastes like cotton candy.
Cotton candy?
Oh!
You sure it doesn't taste like cherry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cherry cotton candy? I know.
Yeah.
These are like Fort Knox. Did you find it? Okay, this is green apple. Is it good? That's definitely green apple. That tastes just like green apple. That's a good one. You're not gonna have any milk for your cookies.
Gingerbread cookies?
Yeah. Is it good? You got something stuck. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time opening these. I guess they made them mommy proof. Lipstick on my fingers.
This time you're gonna get the cookies? This time you're gonna get the cookies?
Oh, you don't want any more, what do we have? Let's see, that's cherry, that's cherry. Somehow, we ended up with 3 cherry Pixy Stix. They look different, but and that's the old school peppermint. We can move on. I want to try this blue one though. This is blue punch.
Oh, my blue punch. Oh, right.
You got it? You want me to open it?
You can try it. But
I can try it.
you can eat it. Fine.
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna just open it. There you can't get enough of that cherry one, huh? So you must really like the Pixy Stick one. That's the one you keep going back to. He's doing that dance. When little kids get food, they always seem to dance or sing. So I guess it's really good to them. So you really like that one, huh? Okay, let me try it. I still have the green apple in my mouth.
I like it.
You like it?
I like it. I know what I like this.
Okay. I was gonna say, I really don't know what blue punch tastes like to say whether it tastes like blue punch or not. But it does kind of make me think of like the blue sour patch, not sour patch, the punch candies, the little string, or well, Maybe like the blue, the blow pops. So I guess that's blue punch. Oh, the Hawaiian punch, the blue Hawaiian punch. It does kind of taste like that. The ones that used to be in the can. It does remind me of a blue punch. Okay.
I like it.
I will keep telling my age because I don't even think they make that anymore.
I like it.
Not the can.
We're gonna try the silver Pokemon now.
Well, this is my favorite candy. I love Ferrero Rocher. And so this is their collection. Let's see, it's got
I forgot all about that.
the original Ferrero Rocher. It's got the, now I'm gonna kill these names. Raphael.
Oh, no.
It's got the Raphael. And then at the bottom it's got the Ferrero Noir. I already know I'm gonna like these. Back when my husband and I were dating, he used to be so sweet. And for the holidays and sometimes just to be nice, he would make me these big elaborate baskets. And I'll never forget, he gave me a basket one time that had the little plastic square full of the gold Ferrero Rochers. With some other goodies, but I specifically remember those. Because like I said, those are my favorites.
Grandma gave me these.
Your grandma gave you those?
I'm gonna buy some of these like ours.
She gonna buy something like ours? She probably already had some.
I'm gonna be.
You need some help. Let mommy help you.
This one don't.
So you think you'll like this one better? It looks like it's covered either in white chocolate or coconut. I haven't had one of these in a while.
No.
No? What's it taste like? You don't like that one either? Hayden doesn't like chocolate all that much. He'll eat some chocolate things. He doesn't really care for chocolate chip cookies. So I'm not surprised. It's coconut. And it's good.
That is good.
Oh, okay. It has an almond in the center. California almonds and coconut from the Pacific Islands. Okay. It doesn't say what the little shell is, but I could taste a little shell in there too, just like the other ones. Or, it's something, because this says it's in a wafer. Maybe I should open one up since you're not going to eat it.
Open this.
Yeah. It's got a little wafer in it too. And then you see the little nuts in
Open
this
this
one.
up for me.
Alright, baby. So yeah, it does have a little wafer. Of some sort. I swear I'm going to pay for this. You're going to have a sugar rush, and I probably will too. We're going to crash tonight. It's just like the big one you had. It's just peppermint. Excuse me.
Peppermint.
Yeah, it's peppermint.
Like this?
Yep, exactly. You like it? No? Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. What do you say?
Excuse me.
Was that a real bird? I didn't think so. Did you just think that's what you're supposed to do? Okay.
I know it was peppermint too. Like it.
That's some nice dark chocolate. It's got some creaminess in there.
I don't want you to try these.
Let's see.
Subscribe. If you want to like these,
Well,
subscribe down below. Yes. If you like these, subscribe down below. You know what flavor you like. Just comments. What comments?
so I'm going to translate that. He said, if you like these, subscribe down below. He said, if you know what flavor you like, comment down below. You doing my job for me. So yeah, tell us what's your favorite flavor. Put it in the comments below. And like always, like, subscribe, and comment. And tap that notification bell.
Oh, it's another one of these.
Okay, so you can kind of see the inside. I squished it a little bit too much, but it's got a nice little chocolate filling in there. And it's got a little crisp wafer too.
Alright guys, let me see how long you like. If you subscribe, you get a candy.
I think you're making promises that I can't keep. So if they subscribe below, they get candy. I didn't say that.
I'm good.
Alright, baby. So, how about we do some cookies and milk? We do some cookies and milk?
Gingerbread cookies?
Hmm? Yeah, you want to start with the gingerbread cookies?
Gingerbread cookies.
Okay.
You think are gingerbread sweet?
Because it's all very sweet. I know you are in heaven right now. So we have Stouffer's, iced gingerbread cookies.
Ooh, that is so good.
These are so perfect for the holidays. Oh, they're so cute.
They're little, just cute.
Yeah, they're little and they're cute.
That one is blue.
What does that remind you of? What does it make you think of? Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of.
I like the head.
Oh, you bit his head. And these are Stouffer's holiday shortbread cookies. My husband's favorite. Wait a minute. Here we go. You see the different shapes?
This goes.
No.
What is it?
It's a bell.
It's a bear?
Bell. Like you ring a bell. Ring bells at Christmas time. And this is a wreath.
You ring like that? You hold it like that?
Well, normally it'll be like this. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. Yeah, it's a bell. And there was supposed to be a star in there. I didn't get a star out. So, let's taste the cookies.
Gingerbread cookies? I buy it. This is
You keep putting them back. I don't know what's mine and what's yours. You got your own milk. Did you drink all your milk up? Is your milk all gone? Oh, okay. Really? They did not come here for your burps. Uh-oh. Look, Hayden, that made my milk turn green. It's turning my milk green. You see that?
What is your name, Milk?
Oh, I'm making such a mess over here. So, those are some...
green?
Go ahead. Your milk didn't turn green? Oh, you probably didn't leave it in there long enough. How is it? You don't like that? Well, you might not want to dunk yours. Okay. Well, alright guys, from my family to yours, I pray that you had a wonderful holiday. I pray that your holidays be full of love and peace and blessings to you. It was just something fun that I thought I'd share with you. All the different variety of candy canes that they have nowadays. I thought I'd try them out for you. Oh, while I'm trying to end it, we forgot one. You gonna try these? Huh? You do? Okay. We have the Lifesavers.
We have the Lifesavers.
So let's see what the flavors are. Watermelon, pineapple, raspberry, orange, and cherry.
I like pineapple. What pineapple? I like pineapples.
You like pineapples?
I have watermelon.
It has watermelon.
I don't like watermelon.
You want pineapple?
No, I want red.
You want red?
Uh-huh.
Okay, red is watermelon and... No. I'm assuming green is watermelon.
Is this mine? You got all my flavors?
I mean, I got some of the flavors. You want the red one? You want the yellow one? You tell me what flavor that is.
I said I want a red.
Okay. You want the red one?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
They break very easy, I know. Okay, that's pineapple. What do you have?
This watermelon and that's pineapple.
You have watermelon? I really think green is watermelon. Let's see.
Red is juice.
Red is probably cherry. Or raspberry. It could be raspberry. Yeah, this is definitely watermelon. Okay.
Let me try yours. Let me try it.
I'll give you the top half.
Right here. Today I'm eating Mom's candy.
Today you're eating Mom's candy. You are normally so loud. Why are you talking so low? You don't like it? Okay, I have cherry, so you must have raspberry.
This cherry is not good.
Let's see.
No, what do you Mama?
I'm not gonna eat all of it. I'm just gonna get the part there. You have the rest of it.
What is off mine?
Yeah, yours is raspberry. They look the same, but yours is raspberry. Mine was cherry. Okay. Let me save some for your brother.
I'm gonna
Huh? You don't have to call him. You don't have to call him. He's okay. Oh yeah, and we know this is orange. Of course, these taste just like Lifesavers. They remind me exactly of Lifesavers. I'm sure it wasn't a hard transition from Lifesavers to candy canes. That's definitely an orange Lifesaver. Okay. So now we've tried everything that we have, right? What was your favorite thing that we tried?
No, we didn't try everything.
We did. We tried everything.
But we did. You tried that? I want to try it too. I didn't try it.
This is a 2-pound colossal giant peppermint stick. We're going to be trying this one. It was cute though. I thought it was a cute decoration. It's real, but that's way too much candy for either of us.
I eat a little bit.
No, we're not going to eat a little bit. We're going to leave it just like this, and it's cute. Somebody might eat it. But I think we've eaten what? Who? Dad? Oh. I don't think so. I don't think so. So again, like I was saying, this is just a fun idea that I had. Holidays is always a perfect excuse to try some candy, eat some candy, do some things that you wouldn't do throughout the year.
We're doing no video.
No, we're going to end this video. Is that okay? Yeah. I think we've done a lot of damage. We've tasted everything. We've tried everything.
I want to eat all my cookies.
You can eat them. I mean, not all of them, but you can eat some more. Is that okay? Okay. So let me talk to our friends. Can we talk to the family?
All the family?
All the family.
A bunch of family?
It's a bunch of family. What does Mommy say? To all the kings and all the queens, right? Okay.
Kings in their house.
Yeah, they're in their house, but today we invited them into our house. So, all right, guys. We're going to go ahead and end this here. Like I said, we've tried all of these different candies and all the sweets and goodies. And hopefully you're having a good holiday as well.
Hey, we did eat all the cherries.
We tried it. It's right here. Well, right here.
Give me all that.
No. Those are Mommy's. That's what Mommy was working on. Okay.
But where's my candy?
You ate your candy.
Ate all of it?
You ate all of it. You ate all that I gave you.
I ate all the candy canes?
Yeah.
Well.
And if you didn't eat every single piece, that's okay. You had a lot, right?
I only did too.
Okay. Uh-oh. Be careful.
I'm going to choose the little one. I'm going to eat this now. Open this for me so I can eat it because, like, I'm sure I had a good day.
You had a good day? Yeah, I see you don't want the day to end. Okay, so you're going to have to...
Open that little one.
I will. If you let me do what I'm doing. You'll let me do it? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And tap that notification bell while you're at it. Love you guys.
But guys, we just, that was the cool first, so I